In this video, I'll detail how to set up personal hotspot on Android phone. So if you're using an Android phone and you want to set up a personal hotspot so that whenever you turn on your data and you enable mobile hotspot, all available devices will be able to connect to your hotspot using a personalized password. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to set up a personal hotspot on any Android phone, all you just need to do is go to your Android phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and locate portable hotspot. Click on it. Once you click on portable hotspot, locate set up personal hotspot. Then once you click on set up personal hotspot, you'll be taken to your Android phone hotspot page. On the hotspot page, you'll see the network name as your phone name. So in this case, you can go ahead and delete this. So delete this and set a new hotspot name. So once deleted, come here, confirm your hotspot password by clicking on hide the icon like this to hide and hide. Then if you are not good with this password, go ahead and add to the password or delete the existing password and type in the new password. Then after that, just come down to select AP band or select band, click on this, and make sure you send your band to 2.4 GHz, that's gigahertz. So selecting this will allow every other devices to be able to connect to your hotspot on your Android phone. And once you are done, click on the check button at the top right, and that's going to set up your personal hotspot on your Android phone. Now, if you go back to your control center, click on personal hotspot, then you'll be able to use personal hotspot on your Android phone. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.